little girl. Hello, little boy. Look, a box full of eggs. This egg is green. Look, green ice cream. Wow! This egg is orange. Orange egg. Orange ice cream. Great! What's happening? The eggs are flying out of the box. There was ice cream inside each egg. The green ice cream has number 1 on it. A green combine harvester. Wow! The orange ice cream has number 2 on it. 2 orange tow trucks. The yellow ice cream is number 3. 3 yellow dump trucks. The green one is number 4. 4 green tractors. The purple one is number 5. 5 purple jeeps. The orange one is number 6. 6 orange bulldozers. The violet one is number 7. 7 violet garbage trucks. The brown one is number 8. 8 brown concrete mixers. The red one is number 9. 9 red steamrollers. And finally, the blue one is number 10. Wow! 10 blue fire engines. Look, a basketball court. So many toys on the seats. The little boy wants to play. You need to throw the ball into the net. You've done it! Wow, the court turned orange. Interesting. This ball is violet. Can he do it again? Great! Now the court is violet. The baby is so excited. He wants to continue playing. This ball has so many colors. Oh, he missed. Now the boy is angry. No, you shouldn't do that. You can come closer to the net and try again. Oops, he missed again. What is the baby doing? Does he want to try again while being up there? Will the boy miss this time as well? No, he's done it! Such a colorful basketball court! Wow! Now the baby is happy. A baby is driving a green tractor. Hello, little boy. What's that? It's a cow. Wow! Now the cow is on the trailer. Wow! Look! A pig! Hello, pig! Now the pig is on the trailer too. So fun! There is a sheep over there. Hello, sheep. Now it's on the trailer as well. Look, a rabbit. Hello, rabbit. He's so cute. There are 4 animals on the trailer. There is a puppy over there. Hello, puppy. Now there are 5 animals on the trailer. And it's full. Yee, good job. Goodbye, little boy. Goodbye, everyone.